In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard, and when you're ready, using this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now you can select any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. And when you're ready, use this icon next to keyboarders to switch them off or on. Then tap on Apply at the bottom right corner and wait. As you can see, after that my keyboard was successfully changed. In order to customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time use plus icon under my themes. Now it's time to select the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and then hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!